Hey everybody, welcome to a little Pocket Beats video, and yes, we are finally doing the step-by-step of sampling, chopping, and arranging a really cool amen break. So we've got that bit of audio loaded up through YouTube on the phone here. That is going to go into the Pocket Operator here, and then you're going to hear my voice through this microphone right here, as well as the Pocket Operator's sound through this little Bluetooth speaker here, but it has an audio in, so we can use it. Nice. Let's start recording. So I'm going to press this button to record the sample, and I'm going to choose sound 9, and then we'll go from there. Here we go. Okay, let's see what we got. So because it's one of these sounds down here, the Pocket Operator is going to try and auto chop it and, slice it on the transients, they're called, those kind of loud peaks in the sound. So that's like the big hits on the snare drum and the kick drum. Now we don't necessarily want all of that. We want a kind of a special mix of these transient hits, these accent hits, as well as some of the ghost notes, those softer hits and other things, so that when we trigger off different parts of the sample, we get more interesting results. But, alright phone, we can put that away for now. That's great. And let's see how it chopped up. Okay, I'm not going to use number 1, or at least I'm going to edit number 1, just because it doesn't really have any drums there. Okay, number 2, nope. Number 3, oh, here we go. So my theory is any auto-chopped sound that when I repeat it, it can kind of loop and be musical, that's worth keeping. So I'm going to keep 3. Okay, doesn't matter how long it is, and anyway, we'll just keep moving on. Number 4. It's a bit ugly, isn't it? We're not going to keep that one. We're going to maybe chop it a little later or a little earlier. Let's see, number 5. Okay, so you can hear number 5 is going to work once we make it a little bit longer. Number 6, same idea. Number 7. Yeah, both fine. Number 8. Same problem as before. Yep, we know what to do with that. We know what to do with that. Yeah, it's cool. Ah, yeah. Alright, we can work with that. 13. It's alright. 14. There's something there. Just chopped a little off, I think. So we got a lot of these snares, and I think just by chance they've lined up. Oh, that is beautiful. 3, 7, 11, 15, down the line, we've got these nice little snare accents, so I'm going to be able to play with them for the rest of this video. Excellent. Number 16. Oh, ho, ho. Alright, so we don't need the end of that where the band comes back in, but you know, that's just the dream sound right there. So we're going to get on to the next video now, where I'm going to start editing the start and end points of each of these slices.